So now we're going to go over the basic spa functions of a Limelight spa. You have jets, options, lights, and a back button. This is your basic home screen. Shows the temperature, an option for memory. It's telling us that the spa is ready. There's an all-off function and a clean function. We're going to go look into jets first. When you hit it once, it goes on low. You can slowly upgrade jet 1 to go higher. We can then turn on jet 2, so it'll be a little higher. There is a jet max option as well, but they're already all on high, and we can do a jets off all at once. So just a reminder, when you turn on jet 1, it's really turning on jet pump 1. If you turn on jet 2, you're turning on jet pump 2. You're going to hear that language a lot. Your jet pump 1 and jet pump 2. Let's just turn them all off and do an example of jet max as well. Turns on both pumps at the same time. Next, we're going to go to lights. We have it on dimmer 3. We can change it up to dimmer 2, dimmer 1 as the lights change. All off at the same time. And put it back on 3. It has a wheel color option, so it's changing on different colors on the wheel, or you can select it to just be on blue, or just have it on aqua, green, white, yellow, red, magenta, and then back on the wheel. If you want all the lights off, you can hit lights off feature. Now we're going to go to the back button to the home screen. We're going to select options, and this gives you the option for temperature or setup. So now we're inside the options screen. We're going to do temperature and setup. So let's check out temperature first. So the spa is currently at 97 degrees Fahrenheit. We can go lower than 97. The lowest it will go on a regular spa will be 80 degrees Fahrenheit if you have a cool zone installed on your spa, meaning you can make the water cooler, which is a great feature for the summer. You can go as low as 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And then to go higher, it can go as high as 104 degrees. So our next option will be, I'm going to go back to options. Let's do setup. Setup is important. It has some great features in here. Your first thing is to make sure you establish the language on your spa. English, if that's your language. They have Spanish, French. Just keep pressing over. Be careful what you select so you're not on the wrong language. Dutch. Let's see. Some more. I'm just going to keep selecting through. And back to English. So we're on the English setting of the setup. So there is a spa lock function, which means when you turn it on, none of the other features can be selected. This is great if you have little children and you don't want them messing with the buttons. In order to take spa lock off, you have to hold down lights and option buttons for 3 seconds. And then now the control is unlocked and you can go back to selecting features. So that is a great option to know when you lock your spa. Another great feature on your spa control, when we go back to options and setup, is summer timer. I'm going to put summer timer on. What that means is when your spa is set at a certain temperature, let's say 100 degrees for example, if the weather outside is beyond 100 degrees, like in Houston, the summer is very hot, the summer timer mode won't allow the heater to kick on and make the hot tub get even hotter than what it already is. This saves you a lot of energy, so your heater's not always running when it doesn't need to be, and this is a great feature if you go out of town and you know for sure that your hot tub is not going to kick on when there's no one home to use it. So it just saves energy on your spa, and it only turns on when the temperature drops lower than what you have it set at. This is the clean function on your spa. When you turn it turns on all the jet pumps and starts circulating the water. It will circulate the water 4 times through the filter. It takes roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. And we recommend turning on the clean function after every use of the hot tub to ensure all body oils and any dirt that got in the water gets cleaned out of your spa. The last option on your setup is brightness, and this is just the brightness for your screen, whatever preference you have. I'm going to keep it back at 7 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. And then you press your back option to go back to your home screen.